Hey guys, it's time to do unbox the Samsung S7 Edge, the flagship phone of 2016 from Samsung, and you can see logo on the front S7 Edge and 4GB RAM and 4G LTE and dual pixel 12 megapixel on the back and 5 megapixel on front, and it is the most fastest autofocus in any smartphone, and IP68 water and dust resistance and NOx, and wireless charging is here, and it is 5.5 inch quad HD display and 64-bit octa-core processor. I think it is the Exynos 8890. So let's quickly unbox it, and you can see it is having a black onyx, and you can see and the box is very beautiful, and this is the phone, and you can see looks very beautiful. I'll show you guys, and you can see it is a 5.5 inch display, and it looks very beautiful and very handy because it has a 2 edge on the back and 2 edge on the front, and this is the hard press sensor, and it is the speaker, USB to 2.0 cable, and headphone jack, volume up and volume down rocker, and power key, and it is the SIM tray for one SIM card, and at the same time you can use one SIM or micro SD card expandable. So let's put the side here and look inside the box, and you can see this is some Samsung quick start guide, and this is the Samsung USB OTG to USB 2.0 to USB port, and then a USB to 2.0 cable, no type C, because the Note 7 is having a first phone from Samsung to feature USB type C, and you can see it is the charger, adaptive fast charging logo on the front, and it is the 2 ampere charger, and then a SIM ejecting tool. I have already unboxed the phone in shop, and let's open the handle. And you can see some extra earbuds, and you can see this handrail is look like a Apple AirPods, but I have to say looks very good. So let's put the side here, all the stuff, and look at the phone, and you can see it looks very beautiful in this black color. So let's quickly boot, and you can see Samsung S7 Edge. Notification LED light is there, and I have to say it looks very beautiful in this Edge. This is my first phone I use in Edge screen, and you can see I already done the setup. So let's quickly unlock it, and I have installed some applications and games, and let's see the software, and you can see it is the Android 7.Nougat. I hope the Android 8.00 is arrived in 18 May. So let's look at the camera. It is the most fastest autofocus in any smartphone, and you can see, and it is a good result. And it is because it is the 12 megapixel on the back with f1.7 aperture, which is awesome, which is very good for low light shots. And of course the front camera is having a 5 megapixel with f1.7. I think, I am not sure, but it is very good in low light shots and selfies, recording up to 4K, and you can see 4K UHD. And let's open. Front camera is not record up to 4K, and you can see it is option called as QHD, and that's about it. So let's see the UIs. I am using a custom application to show you Android Experience UI. And let's see the notification panel, and you can see all the features in it: Wi-Fi, blue light filter, secure folder is here, and always on display is also here, and I'll show you guys, and you can see. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing video, and I am using the Samsung C5 Pro about 8 months, and believe me guys, and C5 Pro is very good phone to use very day-to-day task, and the battery life is also amazing, and the battery size is S7 Edge is having 3600 mAh battery, and the C5 Pro is having a 2600 mAh battery, and the camera is also good on the C5 Pro, and but the S7 Edge, but the C5 Pro camera is not a level of the S7 Edge. So I catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.